here's another Windmere DF-12. This one I actually bought at the thrift store for like $5. Same thrift store as that Lakewood Kool Operator Jr. Now this one I saw, and I knew it was an older one because it had the silver badge on it. And and I didn't try this one out as well. And like I said, it is a model DF-12, as you can see. And yeah, unfortunately, like the other fan that I threw out, that Quillhorn Cage 203, this one's also cracking at the screw hole on the head. The point is here's to pick, because I mean it's not through yet, but it's going to eventually. I may get some epoxy eventually, but who knows. And I did clean this up. I did put a drop of oil in it. I did not try it, but who knows? Will it work or will it not? But I do know one thing. If this does work, I got that other Windmere fan that you saw last week for parts. Because that thing is dead. So I guess we're ready. Here's high. Grown, but not a big deal. I haven't plugged into the power meter, but I don't feel like doing the power meter reading, so expect maybe a review video of this eventually, who knows. The so oscillation on. Reading was the oscillation. Spend our time now. Not bad, but I'm probably going to have to take the motor apart and oil it proper. Who knows? So that's that. Video of this early 90s, late 80s Windmere DF-12 fan. Picked up at the thrift store. It's a lot better than that other one, which is kind of sad. That one don't work anymore, but it is what it is, I guess. So, like I said, this was kind of like really quick and rushed, and expect another video on this later when I feel like it. So next time we're on to let's get this question comment box open.